All right, this is the porch. I planted some mums. We got 4 of them. See, that one's over there, that one's over there. And then over here, we have a hostas, that thing right there. We're supposed to have like 3 of them here, but it got overgrown with weeds, so I don't know what happened. Then, you know, we got that plant. It's dry though. We got 1 bush, another one. I'm gonna go to the side real quick. Cause look at the hostas. Look at them. We got 5 over here. These 2 are from last year, and those 3 are from this year. And remember, we planted those bushes last year. And then look, that bush is dead. That one, look how nice those little white ones came out. That one's dead. That's supposed to be a daisy. But look at this one. It's growing green. I talked to this tree. I told this tree that it needs to grow, and now it's growing some green. So I don't know. Maybe that I needed to talk to all of them, because the other one's dead. Then we come over here. Okay, so we come to the corner, and we have the sage. And then, you know, we got these. But we got 7 of the sage, so that's 3, 4, 5, and 6 is right there. And then we have the butterfly bush. All the plants need to be watered, so they look dry. But we got this tree. Oh, let me see. Look, we got another hosta right here. And then we got the coleus. We got another little hosta trying to grow right here. And then another one right there. These are the hostas from last year. And then look, there's more coleus back there. Look at this. That's tomato plant, parsley, tomato plant, basil. And then we got pepper. And then in the middle over here grew 2 tomato plants out of nowhere. And then we got a cucumber vine. It don't look the best. I gotta water it. So yeah. And then here's the cucumber. I mean, this is the pumpkins. Nothing grew yet. I have to water it. Here's the apple tree, the pear tree. Here's the beautiful smokebush. Remember, it was like half the size, so it grew a lot. It was like here, and then look how much it grew. So then we have another one of those skinny little trees. See? Okay. So this is what it's looking like over here on this corner. The bushes are looking nice. This is your other flower plant. We got these. Oh, they make a little mow over. Where is it? Another one. This one gotta be like weeded because he ain't mowed this area right. But this is gonna be really nice when it starts to flower. This is a flower. It's called a something sedum. I don't know what it's called. Here's another one, another bush. And then here's another sedum. Oh, this one's gonna flower soon. All this stuff needed to be weeded. We need to take the grass out. Here's another one. And then here's the bush. Not that. The bush. Another sedum. And then, you know, we got the 2 bushes. Then we go to the middle of the yard. The middle of the yard look like this. I got to do a little bit of weeding, but the gardenia, it started getting burnt, but look how nice it looks now. And I just planted these. I don't remember what these are called. I think there's a limelight something. Look, another hosta. This one died and it came back really nice. Look, those really pretty flowers that we planted, but it died. Maybe it'll come back next year. And then look how big this one got. It's really big now. Oh, look, and then we got more hosta grown right here. Super tiny. This one got really big. Look, another hosta. The other gardenia. And I think it's flowers in here. It's gonna grow flowers, look. I gotta water all this, look. This is our hydrangea. This is another gardenia. I gotta weed it because it don't look cute right now. We got more hostas, more of those green things, and then that. And that's the yard. But we did get more plants. I'm gonna show you the plants. So we got 2 different trees. And then this is lavender. We got another tree for the front. This one's supposed to grow really nice on the floor. That's for the front. This is the grass. We have 4 of them, I think. And then look at these trees. They need water though. And then we got another one of those purple bushes. And that's it.